Okay, now we're going to do some video recordings about how to top up your Toktok operator's load wallet. Here's how. On the dashboard, you need to go to transactions. From transactions, go to top up load. And you will see here my previous transactions I have today for 2,000 pesos. Once you're here, click reload. And minimum credit value is 2,000 up, and the maximum is 25,000. So let's see, 2,000. Click reload, and you will be routed to PayPanda. So from here, you only need to select payment method. If you have money on your JC wallet, you can use this, or you can use a credit or a debit card, online banking and e-wallets, over-the-counter banks, and some as Bayad Center, EasyPay, BPI, LPC, and more. You can also use WeChat Pay, mobile payments like GCash and Alipay. So if you're going to top up your Toktok portal or your operator's load wallet, you just need to click on agree and then click proceed. Okay, so that would be all, and you will be receiving a confirmation through email if the payment is successful or not. Thank you.